Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about FC25 and whether it's playable on the Steam Deck in 2025. The short answer into this one is yes, but there are a few things that you need to know. First, FC25 runs on EA's anti-cheat system, which is not natively compatible with Linux. Since Steam Deck runs on SteamOS, which is a Linux-based system, this presents a challenge. To get around that, you will need to install Windows on your Steam Deck. Using dual boot or full installation methods, you can use tools like Rufus or Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB. Once Windows is installed in your Steam Deck, you can now download the EA app or Steam in Windows mode, and you can now log into your EA account and install the FC25. So in 2025, performance has improved on low to medium settings. You can now get 40 to 60 FPS depending on your resolution. You can use AMD FSR or Steam Deck's performance overlay to optimize your gameplay. Controller support works natively, and online play is stable with a decent connection. However, storage can be an issue because FC25 takes around 50 gigabytes, so consider using a micro SD card or external SSD. So yes, you can play FC25 on your Steam Deck in 2025, but only when you need that Windows should be installed. Without Windows, it won't launch due to the anti-cheat restrictions. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.